It may just be the preseason, but the Signal HD Spikers are all business in the PVL on tour. Signal now leads Pool B with a 3-0 slate. The team's latest victory came at the expense of the Creamline Cool Smashers. It was as big as a win as it gets for the HD Spikers as they ended a 3-year, 8-game skid against the Cool Smashers. Before last night's sweep, Signal last beat Creamline during the 2022 Reinforced Conference. Here's Signal head coach Shaq De Los Santos talking about the victory and its potential impact to the rebuilding HD Spikers.
Siyempre, malaking bagay sa amin. Knowing na kahit sinong team naman yun naman yung goal. Talunin kung sino yung nasa top. So, para sa amin, malaking impact ko na nadadali namin, especially itong on tour na to. Para sa amin kasi importante to. Hindi pwedeng parang, sige, okay lang kung ano yung mangyayari. But for us, siyempre, rebuilding kami. Kailangan namin mas mabuo, mas established pa yung team namin. And happy ako sa team kasi nakikita ko rin kung paano yung relationship namin, yung respect namin sa isa't isa. And pipilitin namin na mas mag-improve pa rin.